In construction, there's a big difference between gadgets and tools. Tools are meant to be beat up day in and day out and need to be trusted to capture accurate measurements. Today, we are proud to introduce the T1R range, a hybrid measuring tool that can measure anything between 0 inches and 165 feet. The T1R integrates a 1/32 inch accuracy digital tape measure with a laser distance measurer to precisely capture measurements with the click of a button. Its green laser line extension is visible more than 20 feet away and makes alignment to any surface fast and simple. The T1R is a professional's best friend, helping with everything from getting room dimensions, measuring baseboard and trim, dimensioning hard-to-reach places, and more. More than 1,000 measurements can be saved and shared over Bluetooth to any computer device, tablet, or program. An integrated level ensures your laser and measurements are always aligned. The best tool to own is the one you actually carry, and the T1R earns its place on your tool belt each day it is put to use. More than 100,000 recon tools are in use by professionals and tradespeople in the field and have captured tens of millions of measurements. The T1R by Recon Tools is the most versatile construction measuring tool ever made and is ready to lower errors and speed up your next project.
To just pull back to front, click a button, move to the next one, and move through it. It creates a really efficient process.
The T1 into that was great, right? It expanded our capabilities, greatly improved the speed that we were able to do the measurements with.
Hi, my name is Christian Reed, founder and CEO of Recon Tools. The T1R represents the latest engineering of Recon Tools, combining the traditional digital tape measure with our laser distance finder, ensuring that you can measure anything from 0 to 165 feet in a tool built for the job site.